What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is the Antutu benchmark comparison between the Redmi K20 Pro against the OnePlus 7 Pro. Both of the phones have the Snapdragon 855 CPU and 8GB of RAM, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Redmi K20 Pro finished first, and overall it scored a little higher. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the OnePlus 7 Pro scored higher for the CPU, then the K20 Pro scored higher for the GPU and the UX, and then the OnePlus 7 Pro scored higher for the memory. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. I am also planning to do a camera comparison, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release that video. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.